Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best king-size egg crate mattress topper on the market, the Airflow Foam Mattress Topper by Foam Global. If you're searching for a comfortable, supportive, and medical-grade mattress pad, this might be the perfect solution for you. This mattress topper features a unique egg crate design, crafted with convoluted foam that provides excellent support and pressure relief. The textured surface encourages better air circulation, which helps regulate temperature throughout the night, making it an ideal choice for those who tend to sleep hot or need extra breathability in their bedding. One of the standout features of this product is its medical-grade foam. It's latex-free and hypoallergenic, which makes it safe for people with allergies or sensitive skin. Plus, the foam used is CertiPure US certified, meaning it's free from harmful chemicals and gases, ensuring a healthier sleeping environment. Measuring 2 inches thick and hospital size at 33 by 72 inches, this mattress topper fits perfectly on a king-size hospital bed or can be used on any standard mattress to improve comfort and support. The foam is designed to evenly distribute weight, which helps prevent pressure sores, bed sores, and decubitus ulcers, making it an excellent choice for those who spend extended periods in bed or require extra care. Another key advantage is that the foam is made locally in the USA, which often guarantees better quality control and supports domestic manufacturing. If you're looking for a mattress topper that can enhance your sleep experience by providing pressure relief, improved weight distribution, and breathability, the Airflow Foam Mattress Topper is a solid contender. Its egg crate design and medical-grade foam combine to offer comfort and therapeutic benefits, all at an affordable price. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to upgrade your sleep setup with this king-size egg crate mattress topper, check it out and see how it can transform your rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.